keep this short. Sorry, because it's a little bit late anyway. Here's what I would like for you to do. Number one, well, in any sort of order, I want you to read Hercules for Friday, I guess that it is, whether you're seeing this on Wednesday or Thursday. And I want you to pay special attention to, if we were having an in-class quiz on it, I'd definitely ask you for 3 of the labors. And they're pretty short, but there are unique stories behind them, and so I encourage you, if you're curious about it, to look them up on theo.com. I've just got to come up with the way that I'm deciding to say that website, but it's just awkward to me. Anyway, okay, and then I would like you to watch the 2 little screencasts on Perseus and Theseus. I apologize that the second one is 13 minutes long. As I said on one of my film studies videos, I will not be offended if you set the time/speed at 1.25 or 1.5. And it might be too chipmunky to listen to it at twice the speed. But yeah, I would like you to watch those for some of the inner, hidden, deeper, secret meanings going on there. And then with the 3 in comparison, and then you're going to have a chance to also read Atalanta for Monday, the 4 fun heroes that Edith has shown us. So that's just a little preview. But that is about it. Watch Behind the Muscles for Perseus and Theseus. Read Hercules. And then stay tuned. Did I say I was going to keep this short? I clearly have not kept this short. Okay, sorry. But now I'm going to end. Okay, bye.